Crash course on chemistry. Atomic structure and chemical bonding. Discover the fundamental principles of chemistry, including atomic structure and chemical bonding. Certainly. Let's start with a crash course on chemistry, specifically on atomic structure and chemical bonding. Atomic structure refers to the way that atoms are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons make up the nucleus of an atom, while electrons orbit around the nucleus in shells. The number of protons in an atom's nucleus is what determines its atomic number and the element it represents. Chemical bonding refers to the way that atoms combine to form molecules. There are several different types of chemical bonds, including ionic bonds, covalent bonds, and metallic bonds. In ionic bonding, one atom donates an electron to another atom, creating two ions that are attracted to each other due to their opposite charges. In covalent bonding, atoms share electrons in order to fill their outer electron shells. In metallic bonding, a lattice of positively charged ions is held together by a sea of delocalized electrons. Now, let's dive into some interesting examples and stories to help bring these concepts to life. The discovery of the electron. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, scientists were working to understand the fundamental structure of atoms. In 1897, J. Thomson discovered the electron, a negatively charged particle that was much smaller than the atom. This discovery led to a new understanding of atomic structure and opened the door to further discoveries about the behavior of atoms. The formation of diamond. Diamond is a type of carbon that forms when carbon atoms bond together in a specific way. Each carbon atom forms 4 covalent bonds with its neighbors, creating a rigid lattice structure that is incredibly strong and hard. Diamond is used in a variety of applications, from cutting tools to jewelry. Ionic bonding in salt. Table salt, or sodium chloride, is formed through ionic bonding between sodium and chlorine atoms. Sodium donates an electron to chlorine, creating a positively charged sodium ion and a negatively charged chloride ion. These ions are attracted to each other, forming the crystal structure of salt. Covalent bonding in water. Water molecules are formed through covalent bonding between hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Each hydrogen atom shares an electron with the oxygen atom, creating a molecule with a bent shape and polar bonds. This polarity gives water its unique properties, such as its ability to dissolve many substances and its high boiling point. The metallic bonding in copper. Copper is a metal that is widely used in electrical wiring and other applications. Its unique properties are due to metallic bonding, which allows copper atoms to form a lattice structure with a sea of delocalized electrons. This makes copper a good conductor of electricity and heat. Now, let's move on to the top 12 fundamental principles of chemistry. 1. Atomic structure. The composition of atoms and their properties determine the behavior of matter at the atomic level. 2. Chemical bonding. The way that atoms combine to form molecules and compounds is crucial for understanding the behavior of matter at the macroscopic level. 3. Stoichiometry. The study of the quantitative relationships between chemical reactions and the substances involved in them. 4. Thermodynamics. The study of energy changes in chemical reactions and processes. 5. Kinetics. The study of the rates of chemical reactions and the factors that influence them. 6. Acids and bases. The properties of acids and bases and how they interact with each other and with other substances. 7. Oxidation-reduction reactions. The transfer of electrons between atoms and how this affects chemical reactions. 8. Solubility. The ability of substances to dissolve in a solvent and the factors that influence solubility. 9. Electrochemistry. The study of the relationship between electricity and chemical reactions. 10. Organic chemistry. The study of carbon-based compounds and their properties, including their structure, reactions, and synthesis. 11. Inorganic chemistry. The study of non-carbon-based compounds, including metals, minerals, and other substances. 12. Analytical chemistry. The study of the composition and properties of substances, including methods for identifying and measuring their components. These fundamental principles are essential for understanding the behavior of matter and the chemical processes that occur in the world around us. They have applications in a wide range of fields, from materials science and engineering to medicine and environmental science. Now, Let's summarize what we've learned about atomic structure and chemical bonding in chemistry. Atoms are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons, and their behavior is determined by the arrangement of these particles. Chemical bonding refers to the way that atoms combine to form molecules and compounds, and there are several different types of chemical bonds. Understanding the fundamental principles of chemistry, including atomic structure and chemical bonding, is essential for understanding the behavior of matter and the chemical processes that occur in the world around us. These principles have applications in a wide range of fields, from materials science and engineering to medicine and environmental science. Finally, here's a poem to sum up our crash course on atomic structure and chemical bonding. In atoms small, electrons dance and twirl. Around the nucleus, in shells they swirl. Protons and neutrons, tightly bound. In the atomic nucleus, they're found. Chemical bonds, they form and break. Covalent, ionic, metallic, they make molecules, compounds, and elements new. A world of matter, they bring to view. Diamonds hard, and salt so white. Water's properties, such a delight. Copper's conductivity, so strong and true. These wonders of chemistry, we construe. Stoichiometry, thermodynamics, and more. Kinetics, acids and bases, such a store of knowledge and principles, we explore. Chemistry, a world we cannot ignore. Asterisk 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 start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel and please watch more interesting videos here.